Alright, so we have to find the vertical asymptotes of the graph f of x equals x plus 2 over 4 minus x squared. So let's factor this on the bottom. So that equals x plus 2 over 2 minus x times 2 plus x. And so when we do that, we can cross out the 2 plus x and the x plus 2 since they equal each other, and we end up with 1 over 2 minus x. And to find the vertical asymptote, we set the bottom equal to 0, so 2 minus x equals 0. We add x to both sides, and 2 equals x, so that will be your vertical asymptote. Okay, so we know that our horizontal asymptote is, vertical asymptote is x equals 2. So we have the graph drawn out, and we have our vertical asymptote right there, and we also know that our horizontal asymptote is 0 since there is a greater power in the bottom. So that's our horizontal asymptote. And so to find where the graph is going to the left and right of our vertical asymptote, we should plug in what it is. So let's do 1 over 2 minus 2. So that would be 1 over 0, so that wouldn't work. So we need to do 1 over something that's really close to 2, like 2 minus 2.0001. And that would give us a slightly negative number. So then as it's going to 2 from the right, we know that it'll be negative. So like that. And then from the left, we just plug in the opposite, so 2 minus 1.00 or 1.9999, that would be going towards a positive number. So okay, and so that's what it is when you go to the left and the right. Alright, so to find the slope, we are first going to find the derivative of our function. So f of x equals negative 2x squared plus 1. And to find the derivative, f prime of x, we use our power rule. And so negative 4x, and then the 1 just goes to 0. And so our slope, when x equals 3, we just plug it in. So negative 4 times 3 equals negative 12, which is our slope. And then to find our equation of the tangent line, we do our point slope form. So y minus something equals negative 12 times x minus 3. To find our y value, we just plug in negative 12 back into our equation. Wait. No, we don't. Never mind. We plug in 3. So let's see. Let's do it up here. Negative 2 times 3 squared plus 1 equals negative 2 times 9 plus 1, so negative 18 plus 1 equals negative 17. So y minus negative 17 will just end up being y plus 17 equals negative 12 times x minus 3 for our equation of our tangent line. Alright, so we have to find the power function and behavior model, which is really just another way. So we have to divide all of them by our biggest power in the denominator. So x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. Then we're going to leave a space over 4x cubed plus 5x. And our biggest power in the denominator is x cubed, so we divide all of our terms by x cubed. And this will be as x goes towards infinity. And so anything smaller than infinity divided by infinity will end up equaling 0. So we know that we can cross these out. since they'll all go to 0, and that one, so we equal infinity over infinity would be 1, and then that would cancel out, so it would be 1 over 4. And then to find the horizontal asymptotes of this function, all you have to do is do a ratio of your leading coefficients since the powers are equal to each other, so 1 over 4 is also your answer.